What's up, YouTubians? Gary, VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to a hot day where I just can't take it anymore. It's time to see if this thing will run and drive. This is the 1960 Volksrod Baja Franken Beetle build. We're on the last episode. We've got the rear fenders coated in the black Raptor liner. Got the wing done, coated in black Raptor liner, oil cooler in. She is buttoned up, ready to go. So I think what we need to do is go ahead and build some oil pressure. After we build oil pressure, we'll go ahead and put some fuel in the tank, make sure we don't have any leaks. Then we go ahead and light this puppy off, set the timing, set the carbs, and go ahead and take it around the block. Kind of illegally with no tail lights, no brake lights, but who cares? I'm just anxious to see this thing go. So let's dive into it. Again, first things first, let's start building some oil pressure. We'll take it from there. So to clarify, the reason we need to build oil pressure is because we haven't ran this engine in this car yet. This motor came out of the Sickxty. No, wait, this is the Sickxty. Came out of Jawbreaker. We since pulled the engine down, refreshed it with new gasket seals. Everything else was perfect, so we need to build oil pressure first so we don't just fire it up with no oil. Oil's in it. Get cranking. All right, crank her over. That was about 12 pounds right there. Not seeing any leaks. All right, we'll move on to fuel. We'll go ahead and pop the hood. Go ahead and throw some gas in it. I'll put a little bit in and then we need to look underneath and make sure we're not leaking. All right, let's check underneath the tank. It's dry so far. And there is enough, almost enough. Throw some more. Oh yeah, we're definitely over the pickup now. All that's dry. Pump's not leaking. Filter's not leaking. All right, go ahead and throw the rest of it in. So this is 2.5 gallons, which maybe we'll be able to check the accuracy of our fuel gauge that we put in. 2.5 gallons should be roughly quarter tank, if this is in case a 10-gallon tank. We've got to verify that. All right, so no leaks up front. We got Levi in there, and we're gonna go ahead and verify we have no fuel leaks back here. So whenever you're ready, give her a count of 3 on the fuel pump. All right, again. All right, again. Let it keep going. All right, we got up to 3 pounds there, which is what the regulator's set for. I'm not seeing any leaks. All right, one more time. All right, we're good. Now, we need to go ahead and hook up the timing light and light this puppy off. Let's do it. All right, key on.
Key on.
Fuel on.
Yep.
Ignition on.
Yep.
All right, give her a couple cranks. All right, pushed it outside. It's quite loud. No baffle, no nothing. Looks like we have no leaks of any sort, so I guess we need to go ahead and verify that we have all of our gears. It'll be the first time that we've even tried. Ignition, fuel. Starter's acting up now. All right, so I guess we'll be changing that starter out. Lights are out, showing right about a quarter tank. Nice. Round the block time?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's first test out this. Oh, that was reverse. Something's up with the shifter. Something up with a shifter. That's first. I may have that reverse plate in backwards.
Oh, yeah.
Holy cow. Going for a ride in the 60. That's quite torquey.
Yeah.
We only have like half throttle. Fourth is great. Let's make sure I don't actually go into reverse. Oh, hold on, horn, ready? Hey, I don't have a speedo cable in there yet.
You don't need that.
Wow, she rides good, she drives good, she tracks straight.
Yeah.
Wow. Dude, we're in the 60.
I know.
I gotta.
Crazy.
Oh, hold on. Let me stop. I don't want to actually throw it in reverse. We need exhaust on this. Baffle, muffler, something.
Yeah.
We adjust the clutch a little bit.
Wow. They even drive straight and everything.
Dude, it tracks great. Everything's fantastic.
Yeah.
I think that's good rolling. There we go. Drove around the block for the first time under its own power. Got a little bit of bugs to work out. Need to adjust the torsions a little bit. The tires are leaning in a tad. Other than that, we're looking pretty good. Running great. Definitely needs a baffle or an exhaust or something. It's just way too loud for me. Boy, does it look good. Wow. All right, guys, short video today. I appreciate you being here. This right here is the product of all the encouragement and support over the years. Thank you. each and every one of you, regardless of how long you've been here, thank you. This is epic. Absolutely epic. What a huge milestone. So much more to do before she's street legal, but hey, she went around the block. All right, guys, it's hot. I'm going inside. We'll catch you on the next one. Till then, be good.